Hello again, folks. It's that time of year for tractor cold starts. It's about 12 degrees Fahrenheit, which is around negative 11 Celsius. We're going to be feeding the sheep, and we're going to be starting the new to us New Holland Boomer 3045. So this tractor has the 4-cylinder long stroke version of the Shibaura N844L, so this is actually an 844L, 4 for 4-cylinder, L for long stroke. Same engine family that was in the little Ford 1720. This has fewer hours, and the long stroke version has slightly higher compression, so I'm expecting this isn't going to be terribly exciting, but here we go. Oh, not quite. Oh, yeah, there she goes. Yeah, not super happy about it, but pretty easy start considering it was not plugged in at all. Now, that's the really great thing about the new tractor.